Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view the joining answers of already approved members in a Facebook group. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to your Facebook group. Make sure you have admin or moderator permissions, otherwise you won't be able to access this data. Step 2. From your group dashboard, look at the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on the activity log. Step 3. Filter approved members. Now use the top filter panel to narrow down the results. Here, you can either search for a specific member by name if you get data for a specific member, or filter by the date when the member was approved. Step 4. Once you find the member in the activity list, click on the member's name to open their profile panel. Step 5. Scroll down inside the profile panel. Look for the section labeled Membership Questions. Click on View Answers. You'll now see the original join answers the member submitted when they requested access to the group. Keep these important points in mind. Facebook only shows membership answers if questions were enabled at the time the member joined. This data is view-only and must be accessed one member at a time. Facebook does not provide a native bulk export option. And that's it. This is how you can view already approved members' join answers in a Facebook group. Great news! You can collect data from every new Facebook group member request automatically with Groupboss. So you don't have to collect group members' data manually anymore. Try it free for 7 days.